When we think of ancient Pakistan, names like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa often come to mind. But hidden among the magnificent ruins of Taxila lies another extraordinary city, Sirkap. This is a city that tells a forgotten story of Greek kings, Buddhist monks, and a unique fusion of civilizations that shaped the course of history in South Asia. Sirkap was founded in the 2nd century BCE by the Greco-Bactrian king, Demetrius I, right after his invasion of the Indian subcontinent. This was a fascinating period when Greek influence extended far beyond the shores of Europe, reaching deep into the heart of Asia. It was a time of conquest, cultural exchange, and incredible innovation. King Demetrius established Sirkap not just as a fortress but as a meticulously planned city, inspired by the principles of Greek urban design. Unlike the older, more organic cities of the region, Sirkap was built on the Hippodamian grid system. This meant its streets intersected at perfect right angles, creating an organized, logical layout, a true hallmark of Greek architecture that you can still see in the ruins today. The main street of Sirkap, a grand avenue, ran straight from north to south, neatly dividing the city into distinct blocks. On either side of this central artery stood houses, bustling shops, and diverse places of worship. This layout reveals that Sirkap wasn't just a military outpost. It was a vibrant, thriving urban center, a true metropolis of its time. But what truly makes Sirkap so captivating is its incredible cultural diversity. Imagine walking through its streets 2,000 years ago. The city was a melting pot, home to Greeks, Indo-Scythians, Buddhists, Hindus, and Zoroastrians all living together within the same protective walls. This wasn't just tolerance. It was a dynamic coexistence that created something entirely new. As you walk through the ruins today, you can literally see this fusion carved in stone. You'll find Greek-style houses right next to Buddhist stupas. You'll see ancient Hindu shrines not far from Zoroastrian fire altars. This peaceful coexistence of different faiths makes Sirkap one of the earliest and most powerful examples of religious harmony in the entire region. One of the most remarkable structures is the apsidal temple. Its design is clearly influenced by Greek architectural traditions, yet it was skillfully adapted for local religious practices. Nearby, the double-headed eagle stupa stands as a powerful symbol, blending Greek and Buddhist artistic elements into a single, awe-inspiring monument. This symbol, often associated with royalty and power in the West, was integrated here with Buddhist spiritual meaning. After the fall of Greek rule, Sirkap didn't just fade away. It continued to flourish under the Indo-Scythian kings, especially a ruler named Maues, who strengthened the city's defenses and expanded its fortifications, ensuring its continued prosperity. However, by the 1st century CE, Sirkap's golden era began to wane. A combination of devastating earthquakes and persistent political instability took their toll. The city was eventually abandoned, and a new city, Sirsuk, was built nearby by the rising Kushan Empire, marking the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. Today, Sirkap stands as a silent, beautiful witness to a remarkable period of history. It's a place where Greek city planning met South Asian culture, where East and West truly merged to create a civilization unlike any other. It reminds us that globalization isn't just a modern phenomenon. More than 2,000 years ago, right here in these streets, people from different cultures, speaking different languages, and holding different beliefs, lived and worked together in harmony. If you enjoyed this journey into the ancient city of Sirkap, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from history. Let me know in the comments which ancient civilization you'd like to explore next. Until then, keep discovering the past, because history still has so much to tell us today. Thanks for watching.